Hey yo, what's up? Back doing another hot thing challenge. Today doing the Arby's Diablo sandwich. I got a chicken version. They got a brisket. And I don't know what all they put on there. Put some peppers, some pepper jack, ghost pepper sauce and seasoning, and the red ass bun. Look at this. And it came with some lettuce and like a couple pickles. And I don't need that shit in my life. So I took the shit off. So what I'm about to do to like maybe make up for that, or not really. See, look at this shit. Ooh. I don't even like peppers, but they small enough I'll deal with them. I'm gonna amp up. Let me get this fucking. Take the cap off this fucking thing. Got this red hot ripple sauce. Got that. Here we go. Bada boom, bada boom. Oh shit. Okay, my bad. And got some, my favorite actually, tapatio. And here we go. How you doing? And there we go. So, and they gave me free milkshake whenever you buy one. Little small milkshake, because they say that's that hot. But I forgot it inside. I started recording. I don't feel like going to get it. So, whatever. I'll fucking suffer. Shit. Here I go. Oh, look at this motherfucker. I don't feel shit yet. Oh, what the fuck? Huh. Starting to get hot, but okay. Whew. There's just more peppers under there, which is fine, whatever. But I thought, I'm like, there better not be no more pickles. Oh, fuck you. I'm doing this for y'all. I don't like peppers, not because they're too hot. I just don't like the texture. Whew. All right. This shit ain't dick. That one chip challenge was hotter, and definitely that truck chicken. I'm sorry. Shouldn't talk with my mouth full. I got the shit on my pants. Fuck. Keep hearing noises. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Ain't that bad, man. The fuck? Oh, that's cheese. All right. This ain't shit. This is really not. Look at it, man. Fucking pepper fell. Look, get that lettuce on my shit. Ooh, almost dropped it. All right, keep going. Dude, what the fuck, man? How much is dripping? Man, this ain't shit. What the fuck? Showing on Arby's with it. Dude, I feel ashamed that I'm even making a video on this. All right, it's spicy to me. This ain't. I see people on fucking YouTube freaking out like, oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my god. I'm like, dude, let me tell you something. This is for pussies and faggots. This ain't shit in my world. Man, I put all hot sauce on that dog. I apologize, everybody. I really do. Why? Why the fuck? Sorry, I'm not trying to be gross, but this shit pisses me off. And I just spit because I got a trap door and shit. But, dude, this shit pisses me off. I thought I was going to lose my mind like I usually do. No, this is fucking for fucking kindergartners. Fuck. I don't even finish the rest of this bullshit, man. Look, man. None. Anyway, Arby's still a good place, I guess. I mean, shit. Of course, when you actually get the sandwiches, ain't like it is on the pictures. But yeah, still a good place. Just don't believe that fucking bullshit hype. Ugh, fuck off. Anyway, have a good one. Sorry to waste y'all's time. Keep your buttholes tight. Or whatever you're into. Later.